Hopefully I caught that on camera. Definitely caught that one. So cold, I got the sniffles. Forgot my scarf at home. Hey, there's a guy on his bike, man. He's from my old neighborhood, Queens West. And someone stole his bike on him and he got it back. Because that's how we were in Queens West. We made sure people got their shit back. I'm pretty sure that's the same person. Yeah, it looks like the same guy. You can't mistake him with his flags. Someone stole his bike like 2 years ago. And they put it in the paper. Put up flyers around the neighborhood. So everybody went looking for him and you can't mistake it. It's a specialized bike for his back. So people found out who had it and they acquired it and got it back for him. I don't think anyone was charged. I think probably someone beat the crap out of the guy and just took it and gave it back to him. No questions asked. I'll have to double check though. I forget the story. I just remember he got it back. I'm so hungry. Could eat some burrs off the spruce tree. There are none. The birds, you got them all.